Okay, so last week I got a new bird. Look at her, she's so funny. All right, I got a new bird. Her name is Daisy. She's a pineapple green cheek conure, I don't know, something like that. And oh, I know she's so lovable. She's only 2 months old. Her birthday's 11/11/11. It's so weird. Hmm. See, look, it's okay. So she's got pretty colors on her tummy. It's her back. Mwah. I love her. She's so cute. She'll start you like that. Watch. If you rub her neck like that, she'll go to sleep. She's so lovable. Alright. Watch. She's got really pretty wings.